What's up guys, it's Meaty Mike. My name is Mike and I love meat. Today, we're firing up a smoker and cooking some bacon wrapped grilled cheese sammies. Let's do it. So today, we are making a smoked bacon wrapped grilled cheese sandwich. You can put any kind of cheese that you want on your sandwich. I just have 4 of my favorite cheeses, so we can just jump in and get started. I got some wheat bread. Use whatever kind of bread you want. Wheat's my favorite. That's what I'm going with. I got some Vermont tart cheddar. Some muenster. I'm gonna get my casing off my gouda. Get a couple nice slices of gouda cheese. Get another one. And then my favorite, blue cheese. I can eat a whole brick of blue cheese as is. But for this, I'll settle for a couple thick slices. Ooh, it's my girl right there. Then I'm gonna top it again with another slice of cheddar and muenster. Get your second piece of bread. We're just gonna wrap this bacon over on top. Get a second set of bacon. I got 4 strips on the bottom, 4 strips on the top, so we got 8 total slices. Just like that. And then I got some Holy Cow from Meat Church. Little barbecue rub, we're just gonna sprinkle it on top. Pat your sides. Alright, so I got 1 sandwich made here. She's a monster. I'm gonna make a second sandwich because I need one for my B camera operator. She's my sugar mom. So I'm gonna make this second sandwich, put it on a grill grate, we're gonna go pop it right in the smoker. Alright y'all, pretty easy here. Smoker set at 250, some hickory wood chips rolling. We're only gonna cook this for about a half hour or 45 minutes, depending how crispy you like your bacon. Then we're gonna pull her out and we're gonna mange. Yep, so this is a real thing. These look unbelievable. We're not wasting no time. We're diving right in. I'm just gonna cut one right down the center here, nice and easy, nice and slow. Open that bad boy right up. Look at that. Exactly. Damn, that's probably one of the best grilled cheese I've ever had. And to think, this existed my whole life. And I'm just really thankful to be a part of this. So wrap some bacon around your grilled cheese, pick your bread, put it in 250 in your smoker, pull it right at the 45-minute mark. That's what I did. Add a little bit of your rub of choice. Man, and just enjoy it, because it's really something special. So thanks for watching. Be sure to tune in to the next video.